In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram using ChatGPT, 5 minutes. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and start a fresh conversation so everything stays organized. Think of ChatGPT as your brainstorming partner and planner in one. It works best when you give it context, so take a moment to gather the basics you already know about your brand or project. Even if you don't have all the details yet, that's okay. We'll prompt it to fill in reasonable assumptions and ask clarifying questions. Now type your prompt and make it clear and complete. You want ChatGPT to understand your audience, your goals, and the platforms you're targeting. A great prompt sounds like this. Act as a social media strategist. Create a 30-day content calendar for TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. The audiences describe your audience. The goal is brand awareness, traffic, or conversions. And the brand voice is friendly, expert, playful. Plan 3 posts per week per platform. Use content pillars such as education, inspiration, and community. Suggest format types per platform. Short form video for TikTok, reels and carousels for Instagram, and text plus link or image posts for Facebook. Include hooks, short captions, and 3-5 relevant hashtags. Present the plan in a table with date, platform, pillar, concept, format, hook, caption, and hashtags. If information is missing, make smart assumptions and note them. That level of detail helps ChatGPT produce a calendar you can use immediately without endless back and forth. If you prefer a different time frame like 2 weeks or a specific month, say so. You can also add constraints such as avoiding certain topics, aligning with product launches, or matching posting times to your audience's peak hours. Hit enter and let it generate the plan. You should see a structured overview broken down by platform with varied ideas aligned to your goals. If something feels generic, ask for more specificity. For example, request stronger hooks, platform native tips, or examples tailored to your niche. You can also ask for alternatives for any post, or to remix a TikTok idea into an Instagram carousel and a Facebook community prompt. Finally, review the ideas critically. Check that the mix feels balanced across your pillars, that the formats fit each platform, and that the voice reflects your brand. Tweak dates, frequency, or tone if needed, and ask ChatGPT to regenerate the table with the updates. Once you're happy, copy the calendar into your planning doc or scheduler and you're ready to publish with confidence.